Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Since the festive season is already here, I decided to create another festive look for you all. And for today's look, I have created this purple, this red and gold smoky eye look with a little bit of glitter in it, and I think this look is perfect for this festive season, and this will be perfect for all your traditional outfits. You can totally wear this look to any wedding, or this can be your engagement makeup look as well. Before starting, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I am just drawing the borders on my brows first. Then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. And the brush that I'm using is from Morphe. I recently shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. If you are interested, I will link it down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. In that video, I have shared with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect brows each time you do your makeup. Now with the spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. Now I'm taking this e.l.f. 16R Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I am cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I do a full glam look, I always follow this step. It makes a huge difference on the way my brows look. If you are a beginner and if you want to skip this step, then it's totally fine. You can totally skip it. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. Now I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This sponge is from Wet n Wild. Now I'm taking my Coty Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage Loose Powder, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Nostalgia from my Colourpop Through My Eyes palette, and I'm just applying it as my transition color with this Morphe AM441 brush. This is a beautifully burnt pink shade, and I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. Now I'm taking the shade called Misbehave. It's a beautiful berry pink color, and I'm applying it on my crease with this e.l.f. brush, and I'm really sorry I am a bit out of frame. I'm really sorry for that. Now I'm taking Divina, which is a dark purple color, and it is the prettiest purple in my collection. And with this Morphe M506 brush, I'm applying it on my outer V area. Now I'm taking this beautiful gold shimmery shade called Muse, and I'm applying it all over on my eyelid using this Morphe M152 brush. You do not have to use the same palette to create a similar look. You can use any palette with similar shades in it. I'm just blending out the edges one last time using a clean blending brush. I'm taking this particular shade called Lomo. It's a beautiful coral pink color, and it is so bright, so vibrant, and I'm just applying it between the shimmer shade and the purple shade. I'm taking this beautiful gold pressed glitter from my NYX glitter palette, and I'm applying it on top of the golden shade. If you want to skip glitter, you can totally skip it, or if you do not have this particular palette, you can use any golden glitter that you have in your collection. I'm going to draw a wing with my Maybelline Gel Eyeliner, and for that I'm using this Morphe M2500 brush, 2500 brush, and I'm just drawing a wing. This is my favorite gel eyeliner. No matter if it is drugstore or high-end, I just love it. And Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base and then I will return to my eye makeup again. And I actually used this Revlon PhotoReady Perfecting Primer to prime my face. I thought my camera was recording, but it was not. I'm really sorry for that. Now I'm just color correcting using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector, and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentations, dark spots, acne spots and dark circles. And I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. For my foundation, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy foundation in the shade Desert Beige, and I'm buffing it in using the same damp beauty sponge. What a foundation it is! It's kind of medium to full coverage, but you can totally build it up and make it full coverage. And the finish is amazing. It is pretty long lasting at the same time, and it is perfect for people with normal to dry skin. You can totally see my base is looking flawless. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same e.l.f. concealer, and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, on the sides of my mouth, down the bridge of my nose, as well as on the center of my forehead. And I'm just blending it out again using the same damp beauty sponge. Again, this is my one of favorite drugstore concealers. This gives you full coverage. It is pretty long lasting at the same time, but if you have really dry under eyes, then you have to thoroughly moisturize it, otherwise it may become a bit cakey or dry. Now I'm taking the same Coty Airspun loose powder again, and with the same damp sponge I am setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. To set my entire makeup, I am taking this Flower Beauty Universal Matte Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade Transparent. I'm going to finish my eye makeup. And to finish my eye makeup, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil. And you can use any gel eyeliner or kajal pencil that you have. I'm taking Divina from the Colourpop palette, and with this angled brush from Pune store, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line. I'm taking the shade called Lomo, and I'm applying it right here on my lower lash line. Actually, I'm following the same pattern that I followed for my eyelid. Now I'm taking the golden shade, and with the same brush, I'm applying it on the inner part of my lower lash line. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter, which I'll be using for my face later on. I'm curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess mascara. You can totally skip falsies if you want to, but I'm a falsie person, so I'll be using falsies off camera. And here is the final eye look. In case you are wondering, I have used Pro Beauty lashes, which I got from TJ Maxx, and I am in love with this eye look. I think it is so pretty, so perfect for this festive season. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. It will mean a lot to me. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. For that, first I'm taking this Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Camel Toffee, and taking the contour shade from the palette, I'm just contouring the perimeters of my face using this angled brush from Wet n Wild. And I'm just contouring the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline as well as my nose. To contour my nose, I'm using this Morphe E62 brush. This is a perfect brush for nose contour. To bronze up my face further, I'm taking this Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow, and I'm just bronzing up my face even more to bring back that sun-kissed glow to the face. For my blush, I'm taking this Rimmel Maxi blush in the shade Wild Card, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks, on my chin as well as on my nose, and the brush that I'm using is from Flower Beauty. For my highlighter, I'm taking the Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, my chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose as well as the center of my forehead, and the brush that I'm using is from Real Techniques. I'm just setting my entire makeup using my Rimmel London setting spray. For my lipstick, I'm using my Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Days. It's a beautiful coral pink color with a hint of brown in it. If you are looking for a dupe, NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic is the perfect dupe for this one. And that is pretty much it. And here is the final look. I am in love with this look. It is so easy to recreate. It is really wearable at the same time, and the shades that I used, you can find those shades in any palette that you have, I believe. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Please share this video with your friends and family as well. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.